This altcoin is gonna take over Ethereum in 90 days. Cardano and Ethereum have been going head-to-head to showcase which one is superior to the other. This is similar to the competition that's been going on with Dogecoin and the Shiba Inu coin. Cardano has been making a lot of headlines recently and caught a lot of people's attention. Will Cardano overtake the other cryptocurrencies? Is Cardano about to give a tough competition to Ethereum? Ensure to keep on watching, because we have a special hidden surprise for you in today's video. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next year, month and week. Let's get to it. Please note that we are not financial advisors, and this is solely for educational and entertainment purposes only. So please, do your own research before investing. First, let's take a brief detour and discuss Elon Musk's participation in the recent cryptocurrency market crash. Elon Musk revealed in an interview that his company Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. This was owing to his concerns about Bitcoin's energy use. Bitcoin's yearly energy use is comparable to the Netherlands' annual energy usage, and Elon Musk believes it is extremely damaging to the environment. As a result of his comments regarding Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market crashed and suffered a $300 billion loss. But here's an interesting fact. When all the major cryptocurrencies crashed, the only one that survived was Cardano, which managed to stay afloat by 8%. Cardano is a well-known cryptocurrency that has a long history. By market capitalization, the ADA currency is among the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies. It's constantly ranked in the top 10 since its start in 2015. It comes after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, and Tether. It is now placed 6th. Cardano has a lot of good things going for it. Its technology outperforms that of many of its competitors, and it's well-liked. The digital currency ADA is tied to the Cardano platform. It was named after Ada Lovelace, the world's first computer programmer. Input-Output, the research lab of Cardano, is headquartered in Hong Kong. Its main focus is on decentralization and the issues that come with it. Cardano is a cryptocurrency that has exploded in popularity over the last year. The cryptocurrency was worth 5.3 cents a year ago. Cardano was trading at $2.2129 on Sunday, May 16th. This is 41.5 times what it was a year ago, representing a 4,050% increase. ADA was 17.53 cents at the end of 2020. It's currently trading at $2.197, representing a year-to-date gain of 1,153%. Even though Cardano is off, it's at an all-time high this year, which is a great performance. Cardano may have a good chance of reaching those heights again. In a nutshell, Cardano is considered an Ethereum killer. After Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. It's unclear whether this will happen, but ADA has raised the stakes on the possibility. Cardano does not use mining or a proof-of-work incentive to validate blockchain transactions for a variety of reasons. Ouroboros, Cardano's technology, is built on proof-of-stake validation. This is considered more environmentally friendly because it does not necessitate the same amount of electricity as digital mining. All ADA owners have the option to stake their coins. This can both validate and reward a blockchain setting. Within the coming year, Ethereum plans to switch to proof-of-stake. However, ETH is much more expensive to use due to its popularity and mining requirements as compared to ADA. This is something Cardano's already doing. Cardano has a unique crypto viewpoint as the world's largest proof-of-stake validation blockchain. It's also much less expensive to create an address and transfer your Cardano to a wallet or use it to send money to someone. This is yet another area where Cardano excels. Its peer-to-peer payment transaction settling is incredibly efficient. Smart contracts and other apps are made possible by the Cardano platform. Cardano, on the other hand, is still looking for bigger enterprises to use its platform. Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency. Its main goal is to solve the difficulties that these other cryptos have. Bitcoin is too stiff, to be useful for anything other than payment transfers. Because of its popularity, Ethereum has very high fees and a lot of congestion, despite being less inflexible and more useful. Ethereum is also aided by well-known decentralized finance (DeFi) projects built on its blockchain. Ethereum, on the other side, is prohibitively expensive to use and suffers from transaction delay. Cardano is expected to surpass it on both counts because of its lightweight architecture. Cardano has published Mary, a significant update that brings it closer to Ethereum replication. This allows it to do more than just retain ADA on its blockchain. It also allows for creating and trading other tokens. In a month, the ADA price has grown 16%, and in a year, it's grown 3,557%. What is it exactly that makes it so popular? There are three major reasons behind this. The fact that the product is widely available for trade is one of the most crucial considerations. In mid-March, Cardano was introduced to the Bloomberg terminal, and Coinbase started supporting it at the same time. Its popularity has surely grown as a result of this. It's also a very liquid market, with a market capitalization of more than $40 million, and institutional investor interest is growing rapidly. Ethereum is up 115% year to date. ADA, on the other hand, has risen 517% this year. Cardano is low-cost, secure, and a reliable blockchain platform. Its purpose is to build a long-term healthy ecology. As a result, Cardano's ADA is expected to maintain its popularity. Well, we're almost at the end of this video, and you know what that means? Yup, time for the surprise mini-quiz. What project did Cardano launch recently? A. Alonzo. B. ADA launch. C. Smart contracts. Let us know in the comments below what you think the answer is. In a recent interview for Yahoo Finance, Charles Hoskinson stated that Cardano is not the Ethereum killer. In fact, Ethereum is killing itself. This basically means that Ethereum is planning to introduce Ethereum 2.0, which would naturally kill Ethereum 1.0, Hoskinson stated. We were always with the slogan of scalability, interoperability, and sustainability, so sure, proof of stake is excellent and we're leading that fight, Hoskinson said, when asked if Ethereum's transition to a proof of stake model could imply Ethereum would emerge as a Cardano killer. With proof of stake over Ethereum, we were the first to market. Hoskinson also mentioned that Cardano and Cuban's teams were in contact about a memorandum of understanding, discussing a non-fungible token or NFT marketplace that Cuban was developing. Following their Twitter feud, Cuban became personally involved in discussions, according to Hoskinson, who stated, "I think we came to agreements on something." ADA, the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has risen 820.63% this year, outperforming 264.63% and 29.57% from ETH and Bitcoin respectively. Over the previous 24 hours, ADA has fallen 0.9% to $1.65. BTC has fallen 4.6% to $37,637.33, and ETH had down 5.13% to $2,683.01. The long-term ADA coin price prediction from algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor projects the price will move back above $2 by the start of June, reaching a fresh high of $2.86 by the end of December, doubling to $4.25 by the end of 2022, and almost doubling again to $8.43 by the end of 2025. The information presented above is quite promising and full of possibilities. Cardano has had a long and arduous road to the top, and the figures don't lie. Cardano will undoubtedly earn the title of finest cryptocurrency globally, surpassing Ethereum and Bitcoin, thanks to investor trust and a huge community of supporters. Therefore, there's a good chance that Cardano might overtake Ethereum in less than 3 months. Experts have studied statistics closely and have concluded that if Cardano grows at the pace that it's currently on, it will overtake Ethereum in no time. The selling point of Cardano is its efficiency when it comes to energy consumption, an important topic that is being discussed in the cryptocurrency industry. And let's not forget that Elon Musk is on the lookout for a cryptocurrency that can replace Bitcoin with less than 1% energy consumption. Cardano is a classic example of being at the right place at the right time. Cardano proved to be a blessing to its investors during the cryptocurrency crash and saved them a lot of money. Cardano might be the future of cryptocurrency, as it displays potential and has a huge army of loyal supporters to back it up. As a result, for those who are uncertain between Cardano and Ethereum, we hope that this information can assist you in making an informed selection. Because, in the end, sensible decisions are the foundation of investing, and we hope you make intelligent decisions. Since we've reached the end of this video, it's time to reveal the answer to the mini-quiz. The right answer was A. Cardano recently launched a project named Alonzo. That's all for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.